So here we have our Bona Power Station. This is a great tool to have on the job for several different reasons. One, it's going to really ensure that your equipment is getting its proper voltage, which is really going to increase the longevity of your equipment and just making sure that it's taken care of so you can be out on the job sites sanding and making money and not having your equipment in the repair shop. One of the really neat things about this is, in different areas we can get a lot of different voltage coming out of the wall. So, this here we've got 220, but you can see if we give this a little turn, we can see our voltage going up. So this way we're making sure that we're getting proper voltage to our machines so that we're not too much cooking them or too little and cooking the motor on your machines. Um, just an added bonus too is the 110 plugs right on the front. Some job sites, if it's an older home, they might not have strong 110 outlets for buffers or things like that. So you can always make sure that you're getting a really good strong 110 right out of the front of this machine here. When using the Bona Power Drive, if you're on a job site where you need to run a lot of cord, say maybe 100 feet of cord, it's always a good idea to put your power station in the middle of those two cords. So if you're running 100 foot of cord, you want to run 50 feet of cord from the wall, then your power station, then your next 50 feet of cord to your machine. That's going to make sure that you're getting proper voltage in between a very long run of cord. Oftentimes we'll find, one week we could be in a brand new home with a certain voltage coming out of the wall, and then you get into an older home where that has a completely different voltage coming out of the wall, and you want to make sure that you're able to get the appropriate voltage to your machine. So, being able to adjust how much is coming in or coming out is really going to increase the longevity of our machines.